Yes, eye contact is very important. जब आप whenever you are going for an interview, when you talk to somebody, you must look in the eyes. It's not that आप बात उनसे कर रहे हैं और निगाह इधर उधर घुमा रहे हैं. So that is a very very important thing. That eye contact means that you are there with the person, and it also shows your level of confidence, right? Okay, now the interviewer wants you to highlight and summarize your background. You know, what is your education, your training and experience, and what is the job you're being considered for. Somebody can come actually, and we can do that little drill over here. So it'll be good for everybody else. Any volunteer, whoever wants to come, come. Are you? See, if one person does it over here, वो सबके लिए at least idea हो जाता है कि क्या कैसे इतना बड़ा लगा नहीं. I hope that you please feel free to laugh or whatever and don't kind of suppress yourself. I just believe that खुल के जो भी जिंदगी में करना है ना खुल के करना चाहिए. हंसना है वो भी खुल के हंसना चाहिए. बात करनी है वो भी बस इस वक्त बात नहीं करनी है. आपका नाम क्या? दीपक भाई. Okay, so now I'm going to be just asking you a few things, right? Okay, now let's pretend that I'm taking an interview with the standard. Okay, now you just pretend you're coming into a room. Yeah, sure. You can't say hello. You have to say good afternoon, good morning, or whatever, right? Good afternoon. And half line. Okay. Yeah, please have a seat. Now don't sit on the ground. So we pretend that he's sitting and I'm sitting. Okay, आप visualize कीजिए. हम दोनों बैठे हैं. अच्छा, now you please tell me a little bit about your education.
I'm pursuing an MBA from Gita Institute of Management Technology. PhD, I do my PhD in Jammu. PhD, I do my graduation in Jammu University in non-medical. My strengths are I do my work at a proper time. I do just and my hobbies are playing cricket, playing chess are my hobbies. Playing chess are my hobbies. I do my project in BSNL as a performance appraisal. Basically, in that we have to take a performance of a different person and we have to check the proper compensation. Will they satisfy about the things or not?
Okay. Then now you tell me why are you looking for this job? Because
it's a very good renowned company in the market, and I know that I am doing my MBA especially HR and marketing, and this company will give a very good future in my future, and I have to do because this is a very renowned company in the future, and my future will be background.
Okay, thank you. You can go back. Well, I think he was wrong over, but like I said, little things which need to be changed. I think you can all after this, after I finish my lecture, you can all शाम को कैंटीन में या रात को जब इकट्ठे बैठते हैं गपशप मारते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ थोड़ा बहुत आप एक्टिंग कर सकते हैं. You must maintain an eye contact, very very important, and so that the person feels that you are talking to them. That's one of the prime things. I'm on the board of a lot of companies, and when we do an interview, that's the first thing I look for. I look for a good handshake. And I look for a good eye contact. So that these are two things so जिनको आप बिल्कुल पहले मान के रखिए कि ये आपने जरूर करना है. And I also feel that you should stand in front of the mirror. Don't be shy about it. और अपने आप से बातें कीजिए. Look at yourself, see how you're looking, and try to make the most of yourself. That's very important. So talking to yourself always the first time you will feel a little odd, second time, but aisa uski aadhat ho jati. Practice makes a man perfect. You have to practice, and nothing comes for free. There are no free rides. You have to practice. You have to work hard. We grew up जब हम छोटे से बड़े हो रहे थे तो लगता था कि ऐसी ही जिंदगी बढ़िया चलती है, लेकिन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जब जिंदगी के दायरे में आप चलते जाते हैं, आप रियलाइज करते हैं कि कोई भी चीज आपको फ्री में नहीं मिलती है। तो भगवान जी ऐसा मस्त आदमी है, वो भी चाहता है कि भैया कुछ करोगे तभी मैं तुमको रिवॉर्ड करूँ, राइट? So even to make God happy, I mean these days there are Navratras, everybody fasting, yeah? Okay, so am I. But because I really feel that why did the Hindu religion decide that you have to fast? Because of putting you in a discipline. It's not the concept of, the Hindu religion is very scientific. So everything was created. I'm not even a Hindu, I mean I'm a Sikh, but I just believe that every religion has or is a faith which is taking you towards God. There's nothing wrong with it. So अपने आप को डिसिप्लिन करना बड़ा जरूरी है किसी भी तरीके से। तो अगर आप फास्ट कर रहे हैं, आप अपने माइंड को और बॉडी को डिसिप्लिन कर रहे हैं। Now what happens is हम सब लोग जिम जाते हैं कि भैया बॉडी बड़ी सही रहनी चाहिए। I was a very thin woman up to my thought. I put on to my weight, so don't sort of think कि ये डॉक्टर रैनी तो बड़ी मोटी आ रही है, हमको लेक्चर दे रही है। But I mean, like over the years, I just let myself go a little bit, but it's very important to look after your physical health and your physical appearance. उसी से क्या हमने तो करनी है इंटरव्यू, आपने तो करने हैं ना, तो आपको अपने आप को बड़ा फिट रखना है, सेट रखना जरूरी है। You have to look nice, and also just like you are going in the gym to exercise to your body, because you don't want to sort of say that you have a weakness. We all have an ego जिसको हम प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं अपने आप को जिसके साथ, और उस ईगो को हम त्यागना नहीं चाहते हैं, उसको तो एक्सेप्ट भी नहीं करना चाहते। We want to constantly say कि okay, I am the great person, जिसके अंदर अच्छी अच्छी क्वालिटीज हमारी पता भी होती है, still you don't want to think about it. Now somebody over here can just stand over there and tell me कि okay, like supposing you're going for an interview, what would you say as far as your strengths are concerned?